Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 65. This question is from GATE 2017 examination. So let us read the question. In the converter circuit shown below, the switches are controlled such that the load voltage V0 of t is 400 Hz square wave. Okay, so it is given that the load voltage waveform is a square wave, means V0 is a square wave. Input voltage is 220 volt. Okay, so if you check the circuit, this is the circuitry of single phase full bridge inverter. Okay, next they have asked the RMS value of fundamental component of V0 of t in volts is. Okay, so fundamental component of V0 of t they have asked, and as we know V01 is equal to, yes, it is a 4 EDC divided by n pi. Okay, 4 into EDC divided by pi. Instead of n it is a 1, so it is a pi into sine of omega t. This is the expression we are having. Okay, so therefore RMS value, therefore we can write V01 RMS is equal to, yes, it is a 4 EDC by pi divided by root 2. So it is a 2 root 2 into EDC divided by pi. 2 root 2 into EDC by pi. So this can be written as 2 root 2 into EDC is, it is a 220. Supply voltage is 220 divided by pi. Okay. So if you check, it is equal to 220 into 2 root 2 divided by pi. 198.07. 198.07. Okay, volt. This is the V01 RMS we are having. RMS value of fundamental component. Okay, 198.07 volt. Right. This is about the question number 65.